Hello students, let us revise our first chapter of science, natural resources, air, water and land. What are natural resources? Air, water and land are the factors important for sustaining the living world on the earth and for fulfilling the basic needs. They are called as natural resources. Air, water and land are called the earth's atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere respectively. They are together called as biosphere. When all these three things come together, air, water and land, it forms biosphere. There is air all around the earth and water as well as land present on the surface of the earth, out of which 71% of earth is occupied by water and only 29% of earth is occupied by land. In the picture, you can see that 71% is greater than 29%. So think only 29% of earth is occupied by land. What all are the 5 layers of atmosphere? The 5 layers of atmosphere are: first one troposphere, second one stratosphere, third one mesosphere, fourth one ionosphere and fifth one is exosphere. All these 5 layers together forms atmosphere. The air in the atmosphere around the earth contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, 6 inert gases, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, water vapor and dust particles. These all gases are used for different works. You can see in the picture 78% of gas is occupied by nitrogen. Oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide are also present in air. What is air pollution? The smoke directly mixes with the atmosphere, disturbing the balance between the constituents of air. This is called as air pollution. Due to the release of harmful gases through the factories, industries, fires in forest, etc., the pollution increases rapidly day by day. Ozone layer, the protective shell. The ultraviolet rays coming from the sun are very harmful for living organisms. The ozone gas absorbs these rays. As a result, life on earth is protected. As ozone layer protects the life on earth, therefore it is called the protective shell of the earth. Every year, 16th of September is celebrated as Ozone Protection Day all over the world. Water. We use water for different purposes like bathing, brushing teeth, washing clothes and utensils, mopping the floor, drinking, cooking, watering plants, construction purposes and many more. It is almost impossible for us to spend even a single day without water. We need to drink 3 to 4 liters of water every day so that all our bodily functions run smoothly. All other living organisms also require water for their survival. The blood of animal and the sap in plants contain very high proportion of water. No living thing can survive without water. Therefore, it is said that water is life. Out of the total water present on the earth, 97% of water is occupied by sea and ocean. 2.7% of water is groundwater, water in the form of ice and other forms. And only 0.3% of water is available for drinking. That 0.3% of water is used by all the living organisms who requires for drinking. Always remember, use water sparingly. Sparingly means we should not waste the water. Block water, let it percolate. We should store water, we should block water. Reuse water whenever possible. Store water, do not become stale at one time. We should take care of water every now and then. Land. Land is seen in the form of stones, soil, big rocks, etc. All living organisms use land for fulfilling their needs. We use land for farming and for building houses and roads. The minerals, crude oil, and natural gas obtained from earth, that is from land, are very important for us. We get all these things deep under the land. In this picture, you can see the layers of land: humus, soil, immature soil, layers of the soil, that is small stones, and the bedrock, that is big stones, are all the layers of the soil. The humus comes from the dead leaves and dead organisms. Mature soil is important for plants. The process of soil formation. Due to the heat, cold, and water of the sun, wind and rain respectively, the bedrock breaks down into small pieces. Stones, sand, and soil are formed from these pieces. The process of soil formation is slow and continuous. It takes about 1,000 years for a 2.5 cm thick layer of mature soil to form. But soil can get destroyed within seconds. Fossil fuels. Forests on the land get buried due to its great upheavals that took place on the earth many years ago. Petrol, diesel, kerosene, paraffin, and other fuel materials like tar and wax are the forms of fossil fuel, which is also called as crude oil. Indian Meteorological Department, also called as IMD. The Indian Meteorological Department was established in 1875 for studying the weather in the Indian subcontinent. The main function of this institute is to observe the weather and to make weather forecast. It tells us about when the rain will be heavy, when there will be too much cold, when it will be hot, and so on. Thank you.